How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1967 Camaro. This is a true RS SS 396 car. Had a complete restoration. It's got about 1,000 miles on it since the restoration. Super nice car. Done in the factory, Butternut Yellow. See all the grill, headlight doors, front bumper, all excellent condition. All looks like new. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Factory vinyl top car. Very, very nice car. All the rocker trim, everything is excellent. New top. All the glass is very nice. Rear deck spoiler, tail lights, all been replaced. Bumpers, all new. The car's real flat down the sides. Panel fitment's all nice. Now this got a air correct 396 in it. Aluminum heads, factory winners, aluminum intake. It's got tach fuel injection. It's all roller cam motor. It's a real man's car. Got a nice heavy duty radiator, aluminum, correct shroud and fan. Got 400 turbo trans, 12 bolt posi rear. Got 355 gear in it. The car's a factory deluxe interior car. It's all new. Got the gauge package with in-dash tach. Got tilt wheel. So the headliner's real nice, tight. All the seats have been redone. Deluxe front and rear seat belts. Jams all look real nice. It's got the rear mount antenna, retro stereo in it, factory gauges. Tell you, this thing's a stout running car. It's got all electric hideaways. Got to push kind of hard in the center, Ernie. Got nice cam and stuff in it. It's supposed to make between 375 and 400 horse. It's just a cool car right there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. It's just perfect stands. Have a great day, folks.